Faux Harvest 2011 at the Russell County Fairgrounds, July the 9th, starting at 12 o'clock noon. The day will consist of gospel singing, preaching, food and drinks, clothes, prizes, and you can even get your blood pressure checked. And also for that day, we have things for kids.
Face painting, kids games, balloons, and more.
And remember, everything is absolutely free. The groups that day will consist of Ambassadors of Christ at 12, True Believers at 1, Matt and Leah Franklin at 2, Living Water at 3, and the Word will be brought by Brother Billy Silverman at 4 o'clock. And don't forget, once again, everything's free. For more information, you can contact Alan or Tanya Gosser at 866-1590 or 866-2454.